Well, another weekend, another cruising. And unfortunately this weekend I won't have my car here. Still waiting on Enderly to flow test my fuel pump and send it back. So I'm gonna ride down with Buddy in his 1934 Ford pickup truck with a blown small block Chevy in it. And then a few other friends are all meeting here. I think we're waiting on one more car to come. And then we're all gonna ride over to RK Motors in Charlotte. I've never been there. I heard they got some really nice cars. They got an indoor showroom. They sell hot rods, and it'll be interesting. So we get ready. Like I said, I think we're waiting on one more person. Chad's supposed to come over here with his tea bucket and meet us, and then we're gonna head on over there. Tight fit in Buddy's 34, so I'm riding in Al's 32.
Oh, I think I'm gonna do my headers in stainless steel this winter.
Stainless.
Can't really make up my mind.
Is he not behind us?
I don't see him. All the way down here the last time. Then Buddy said he had to park down here with a bunch of Corvettes.
This is recording. Just to let you know. Big place, huh?
Oh, like I gotta have all this information.
Hey.
So he's going to have you back in on the left side next to your friend.
Okay.
Thank you.
That wasn't that hard, was it? Follow the guy in front of you.
But what now?
Hey, follow the guy in front of you.
See, this whole building right here belongs to them. Oh, hell, buddy. That door when you let it. Hold on to it when you open it.
Alright. I'll wait for Bernie to get out. Alright.
Where's your car?
In the garage.
Something's missing here. I thought you rode with Buddy.
I tried to get with Buddy. I've been in his once before, but it's tight. Al's has got a lot more room. Here's another view of Al's 32 that I rode over here with. And my buddy Will's, you seen this one last week or 2 weeks ago at the Prohibition Festival. Hot Rod Prohibition.
That's a cool hat. It's nice of him to give that to you.
Yes, I'll have to go inside later. See, they got a lot of consignment cars here for sale. First time I've been here, so we'll go in and see what they got.
Take a look at it here, but
That looked like the one that was on the cover of that one of the magazines they got.
Sure looks nice.
This little black one.
They do got some nice cars in here. Man. Oh, that's sharp looking. Let's see what they're asking for this one. I said, they sure do got some nice cars. Wow. The way this works is each category is a gift card for $25 for each one of these top categories, and $100 goes for Best of Show. These are all based on y'all's votes. So we started out, we're going to do Best Classic Car. Now, classic car covers 1900 to 1985, and the winner is Jim C. with the 1965 Chevy Corvette. Give a round of applause. Come on. All right, our next category is Best Late Model. That's 1986 or newer. And the winner of that category is Kevin P. with a 1996 Chevy Camaro. Come on, give him a round of applause. All right, now we have Best Truck, Van, or SUV. And the winner is Bernie K. with a 1929 Ford.
You want to sell that?
A truck. Now we have Best Import, that's Euro, JDM, or KDM. And the winner is Mark C. with a 1971 Datsun 240Z. So I have a car. Yeah, go grab my surprise there, all right? Okay. Now we're going to go on to Best Wheels. Best Wheels goes to Jennifer B. with a 1963 Chevy Corvette. All right. And Best Paint is our next category, and that goes to Mike J. with a 1970 Plymouth Barracuda. And that just leaves our Best of Show winner, and that is William N. with a 1926 Ford Model T pickup. Like I said, we appreciate you guys coming out. We do this every single month. We got next month, and then December is our open house. Way to go.
We're doing a camp drive. But see you guys next time. Thank you very much. Feel free to hang out for a while. Your choice.
Best of Show. Congratulations.
All right, I'll ride with you. Ready? Hit the highway? No. I just want to.
I also wanted to show you here that they had sandwiches, drinks. One of the few shows I've been to where they actually give away food.
What did we win? I didn't hear.
Best wheel? I was had a lot of good features.
Well, had a pretty good turnout. Like I said, this was my first time here. Buddy said that the last time he come here, parking lot was full. He said they were parking all the way out there at the entrance to the gate. So not as many cars as last time, but still pretty good turnout. And my buddy Will Nash from our T-Bucket Club won Best of Show. So well, I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and maybe we'll see you at the next cruising.